Hello, and thank you for your interest in just-in-time sourcing. So in this video, I will be covering what is just-in-time sourcing, what is the coaching that we are offering, as well as web scraping and drop shipping and how this all works. So at a high level, you're looking for products you can find at a retail store like Kohl's, taking these products and downloading them into a spreadsheet that you can then have direct links to the products and find ones that are highly profitable with good ROI and low sales rank for fast moving products. Just-in-time shipping, it means that you could take a list like this that you know is at Kohl's, you know matches an ASIN on Amazon, bulk upload this inventory to Amazon to say you have one in stock, and then say if somebody buys a product, you then go back to Kohl's, click the link, and then order the product, pick it up, and ship it. So that's at a high level what just-in-time sourcing is. If you are selling on Amazon, whether you're doing FBA or FBM, you understand that capital can be limited. FBA, the time is the time that your product hits and is live can be 4 to 5 weeks from when you purchase it. FBM requires you to often pay sales tax and do shipping, but there are things that you can do to get sales before you're even spending the capital so that you know before you're buying a product that you actually have a sale for that product and that you've made money. So that is the goal, is to take lists like this, and you can see our raw data for this one scrape that we did has over 39,000 different rows of products, being products and variants and things like that that can be found at Kohl's. And this sourcing sheet gives you everything that you need in order to be finding those products and then being able to source them. So if you take a look at this particular example on here, we have this pair of shoes where you can purchase this pair of shoes for $67.50 at Kohl's, but it's selling for $136 on Amazon. So you would be making a profit of $41, 61% a return on your investment, which is great for a single pair of shoes. And you can use tools like SellerAmp and Keepa to kind of vet and see what has been the price history. You can see there's barely any sellers now. The price has gone way up because there's less competition, less availability, which is one of the reasons why this is, selling for $136, where normally it was more around $80. And people will still pay the elevated price if they need this particular shoe or want this shoe in size 11, and this is what it's available on Amazon. A lot of people will purchase that. So web scraping is the other thing that we do. Is we'll take a list like this, say there's 20,000 products. We're looking at name brands that are found on Kohl's. We can simply take the URL that has all of this filter in this list, copy it, plug it into our scraping tool, and then it downloads these products. So you can tell it how many products you want. For the scrape that I'm showing, I did about 50 pages, which is about 2,400 products, and that's what produced this list. And you can see just in this one for matching Amazon, there's over 17,000 ASINs on Amazon that you can find at Kohl's. So if you're already selling on Amazon, or if you're new, this is a great way to get started. What we're offering with the coaching is basically an A to Z, hands-on, step-by-step of what you need to do. You'll get a scraping account that is not a subscription. You just keep that scraping account. You can do unlimited scrapes on all the stores. Once you have a scrapes like this, we'll show you how to use bulk listing templates within Amazon to show that you have the inventory. We'll go through what happens once you get an order, how you can order it from Kohl's, make sure that you can pick it up or use 1 day or 2 day shipping so that you have the product quickly and then can ship it to the customer that purchased it, how to handle things such as returns and everything in between. So if you're interested, you can definitely click the link for the consultation. I'll go through your particular use case to see if you're interested, or you can click on the coaching product below and lock in the one-on-one coaching to set up these just-in-time sourcing. To go a little bit into further detail for those that may not be as familiar, What you're doing with these different sourcing methods, traditionally you would have to go through one by one, looking at every single variant. Here's an example of one single product that has multiple colors, multiple sizes. So if you were trying to source this on Amazon, you'd be clicking on every single color, every single size, trying to see, is this exact size on Amazon? What is it selling for? Is it profitable? If is it not? Web scraping will download the entire product information. It'll all the colors, all the sizes, match those to those exact ASINs on Amazon, and then show you. You can filter and sort by ROI, sales rank, price, profit, cost, whatever you would like to find the products that you want. And then as you want to source, you just simply click the link that's in here, the retail link and the Amazon link. So this first opens up Kohl's. It takes you right to the product. This is, it's extra XXL tall. It's in gray. You'll see on Amazon, that is the exact product. It's gray, the XXL tall. And then when it loads in the pricing information, you can see that at Kohl's has it on sale for $45. Right now, it's selling for $96. That's where you have your $27 profit, 62% ROI. So you could do this all day long and find great products to source, especially if you're struggling on finding these products or seeing that sourcing is taking a lot of time. Web scraping is definitely going to save you in that. And then the aspect of the drop shipping is taking those products, listing them on Amazon, and then when you get the sale, you come back to Kohl's, you add it to your cart, or you say, okay, free store pickup. You can see I could get this in 2 hours at stores near me. And then I just pick a store, say Poway, and then add it to my cart. And then when I go through checkout, it's typically ready in 2 hours. So if I listed this and said, I have this product, someone purchased it at that Amazon price, and I know I could get it for $45. Once I get that order, I come in and then I go in, make the purchase, have it ready for pickup in 2 hours. Now I'm able to ship and fulfill that product without having to first have purchased the product and then hope that I get a sale. So there's a big difference because you can see in these scrapes, there's many hundreds, if not thousands of products. Some have great sales ranks, some don't. But the great thing about just-in-time sourcing is that you're not having to put out the money on a product and hope that it sells, hope that the product stays stable for price, hope there's not competition. You can jump on brand new products, brand new variations of products, and get sales that other people probably don't even know about, that you may be the only seller. So there's just a ton of benefits to being able to do just-in-time sourcing. For those that are not familiar, typical or traditional drop shipping would be that you would find a product on Kohl's, you would list it then on Amazon. When it sells on Amazon, you would go to Kohl's, but instead of picking it up or shipping it to yourself, you would ship it directly to the customer that had purchased it on Amazon. That way you never have to see the product. You get to keep the difference in the price. It sounds great, it is great, but it also violates policies. You will get banned. Most platforms do ban drop shipping, where you're sending customers product directly from a different place that they purchased it from. Where the difference here is you're still shipping the product, you're just waiting for the sale to come in, so you're not putting out that money ahead of time, and you're locking in your profit already. So between that and the web scraping, you combine them. It's a great way to make sales. You can pretty much scrape anything that you see on Kohl's or on other retailers that you support simply by going to Kohl's and then performing a search. So this has a coupon right now. If I click that, it brings me up to 92,000 products right now that will use this coupon. So that's a huge amount. Now I could try to scrape a bunch of those, or I could narrow it down with filters. Say I just want to do clothing, that's still 20,000 products. And then maybe within clothing, I want to pick a category like socks, because those are easy to ship. So now I'm down to a more reasonable 471 products. I could take this listing, copy it, plug it into the scraping tool, download all of these products, all the variations, compare it to Amazon. And again, I have that list that I could be working off of. Another scrape that I did was this coupon for just socks, just underwear. And you can see this one has, again, thousands and thousands of rows on here of products here, all the way up to 33,000 different matching ASINs on Amazon from Kohl's. So again, huge variation. Now, some of these you're looking at, and you're looking at maybe a lower ROI, or you're looking at the sales rank that is super high, and you wouldn't necessarily want to purchase it and hope that it sells. But with the just-in-time scraping, again, you could take one product and you could simply take the data essentially from this sheet. This is the raw data from our scraping from Kohl's, and you could say, this is my buy cost. I'm going to mark it up 30%, 40%, 50%, list it on Amazon, say I have it in sale. You can see the quantity that Kohl's has in stock, so you can pick ones that you're pretty sure that Kohl's isn't going to sell out between the time that you're listing it, saying that you have it, and then you want to go and purchase it from Kohl's. And then you can mark it up, or you can simply go by the scraping and see what the buy box is, or you can just simply choose a price. And then when you get sales, you make your purchase and then you ship it to the customer. So as an example, Kohl's recently had a 20% coupon. They had Kohl's Cash with an additional 20% discount. They had a mystery coupon for one day, which was 40% off. So in that 5 or 6 days that they had this sale, I listed thousands of products on Amazon. And just in this one sale, I shipped well over 100 products. All of those products making anywhere from 30 to 50% ROI after fees, after shipping costs and everything, just on that one sale using this method. So the good news is you would be able to have those products and get sales very quickly, handhold through the entire process, and you'd be able to take advantage of Q4. Think about all of the Black Friday sales, think of all of the Christmas sales and things like that. You could list those products. People are going to be wanting to purchase those products. They're going to be shopping primarily on Amazon. So you could absolutely be making thousands of dollars. You should be making thousands of dollars doing this, and happy to guide you through that entire process. So if you're interested, you can click the link to book a consultation. I'll go through your specific use case and any questions that you may have. Also, click that link at the bottom for the product, and you can check out and add it to the cart, and we'll schedule our kickoff and go through that. This is limited to 10 people to start. There may be more added, there may not, but right now there's 10 spots available, so don't miss out. If you do have any questions, make sure that you join our Discord. We have free scraping samples. You can create a free scraping account. All you have to do is fill out a form and choose 2 of our 27 sites that you would like to scrape. There's no cost. It's unlimited scraping, unlimited bandwidth. It's a great value. You can try it out and see for yourself how it works. So make sure you join our Discord and request that free account. So looking forward to talking with you and helping you succeed.